Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for the daily Anfield Road expansion update because I was here yesterday, so it's the next day, so it's daily at the moment. Going to have a little look around. The reason why I'm back today is because of all the brackets that have been going in, the seating area. I just want to see if there's any movement there. I've come, it's around 12 o'clock at the moment in the afternoon. So I've come a little bit late on in the day, so I'm a good 24 hours later from when I last came. Now I've looked at some other videos, SS Sky's put one on from last night and there wasn't much change when everyone had gone home, so it's good that the other lads are putting stuff on at different times. But they're noisy crows, aren't they? Shh! Trying to make a video here, shut up! You listen to me, they're just sitting there watching now. Hey! I told you. Just winding me up now. Right, anyway, so yeah, it's good that other lads come down so at different times, so we can all check out the videos and see if there's been much change since we were there. You know what I mean? So shut up. No one's talking. Every time I look at it, it squawks at me. Shh. Right. So these two have just been up, and now they're down. Yeah, there's the last one. Oh, it's on the move. Wow, that's a tight manoeuvre, isn't it? Let's have a look at this. He's not getting around that, no chance. Move around a little bit. Is he trying to get past there? Okay, yeah, no, he should do it now, like. Tell you what, a skill driving these things, innit, eh? I can just about reverse a car. Yeah, he's staying there, I think. Oh no, wheels have turned. No, I'll leave it there, guys. Don't want to spend too much time on that, do I? What's going on here? What's this blue? Oh, it's a cherry, is it? It's a cherry picker. It's a small cherry picker. Yeah, the crows have gone now. So there's more, okay, so there's more stuff going on. These brickies cracking on here, I think they were there yesterday, weren't they? When I was going on about that missing brick. Just check my mic, yeah, my mic's still going, it's alright. Just not like I'm talking to no one. So when he said, so 2 weeks ago, he said they're doing a soft start and they're hoping to be in full swing in 2 weeks' time. The 2 weeks was yesterday, which was a bit quieter. Today's a little bit busier by the looks of it, so I think by the end of this week it's going to be in full swing. But there's a lot more plants on site today than there was yesterday. Let's get over the grounds. The wind's picking up, you see, and there's going to be a storm tomorrow. I don't know what time the storm's coming tomorrow though, but I'm in uni tomorrow, so unless I can get here early in the morning, which I'm not really in, I'm not an early riser if I'm being honest, so I can try. I'm not the type of person that changes snoozes alarm every 5 minutes or 20 times after it goes off. So have a look. Let's have a look here now. There we go. More brackets in. Innit? Is it? Yeah, so to start some more brackets going in, so they've all gone in there. As I said yesterday, they're probably working from right to left, and that's what it looks like they're doing. So I think they're going to have all the seats in for the Everton game, and then a reduced capacity in that upper tier. So that's the centre section where the posh seats are. It might just be fans in there, or that section, and that section might have fans in. The guy did say the centre section they were open to have ready, so we'll just see. But apart from that, there's not much more movement going on there, is there? Right, I'm going to swing it right round anyway. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to try and get down the waterfront tomorrow, and with this storm, can we call it a storm? It's called Storm Agnes, and it's hitting Ireland, but I think we're getting the tail end of it, aren't we? So we'll just see how bad it is. We're expecting around 50-60 mile an hour winds, aren't we? Okay, so I'll just zoom in there. Yeah, so we're going to be working on this today, aren't we? I reckon by Thursday or Friday we might start to see seats going in. Yeah, I was on about these little unit things yesterday, weren't I? People said there could be floodlights, could be. I don't know. I'm just waiting to see. I'm at the match tomorrow as well. Yeah, I'm at the match. So I'll be doing a match day vlog tomorrow. Liverpool v Leicester. Just come down a bit now. I'm back within view. Doesn't seem to be a lot going on this side, does there? If anything, nothing going on this side. There was a guy just on there then. Okay. He's hiding. Might be getting shot at by the crows. You know, rain was predicted for now, and the sun is absolutely cracking the flags. So he manoeuvred that safely enough. One last look down here. And guys, you're all very good at pointing out stuff that I've missed, so if I've missed anything, because as I say, I'm watching it on a small screen, if I've missed anything, let me know, so I can have a look the next time I'm here. Yeah, so match day vlog coming tomorrow from me. So I will be at the match, and then as soon as I get home, I'll download all my footage, get it edited, get it online ASAP tomorrow night. So I'm guessing around 11-12 o'clock I should have a match day vlog on. Yeah, guys, that's about it for now. It's a little bit busier than it was yesterday. There's more going on in that upper tier, bracket wise, getting the seats in and that. So yeah, I'll leave it there. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Subscribers are going up slightly again. As I want to really climb, and this can be my full-time thing then. So any help subscribing would be much appreciated. It's completely free, as I keep saying, it's completely free, guys. You don't have to pay. I know it says subscription, subscribe and all that, but it's completely free, okay? So please subscribe. What else? Comments, I always reply to the comments, and likes always appreciated. Apart from that, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.